In this video, I'm going to show how to fix Steam not buying games. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, you need to check if you are on Thursday. Every Thursday, Steam update the platform, so you need to check if you are on Thursday. If you are not on Thursday, you need to try restart your Steam. So click right here with the right button, Task Manager, and search for Steam. And click right here on this button. If this doesn't work, you need to click at the top left corner and click right here, exit, okay? So click right here and try to log again on your Steam. You can also try to check your network connection. So you need to check if you are with internet. Then you can also check your payment method, okay? If you are using a payment method that doesn't work, you need to change your payment method. You can also cancel your previous transactions on Steam. You can also try to turn off a VPN if you are using, so try to turn off your VPN. If all this doesn't work on your computer, you need to report the problem to Steam, okay? So contact Steam to Steam help you to resolve the problem. I hope I help you how to fix Steam not buying games. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.